Hi, welcome once again to Tsar Events Russian Survival Guide. I'm Krivchenia, your American singer, here to present you with a new and exciting venue for your event. We're in a new modern art space called Palma. Here, during the 19th century, the Germans sort of had a collective arrangement where artists and merchants would work together. Now the space has been turned into shops, restaurants, and a great space to hold your event. Here you can see we're preparing for a gala dinner. This hall right now is set up for 160 people, but an event can hold up to 200. Palma is an excellent place to hold your event, from fashion shows to conferences to gala dinners. In this modern yet historic space, Tsar Events can help you create anything.